Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an Uber account step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and has enough storage space. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type Uber and tap Search. Find the official Uber app and check that the developer is Uber Technologies, Inc. Tap Install or Get and wait for the app to download. When the installation is finished, open the Uber app. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up or Create Account. Enter your mobile phone number carefully and tap Next. Wait for the SMS verification code to arrive on your phone. Type the verification code into the app to confirm your number. If you do not receive the code, request a new code and check your signal. Next, enter your first name and last name exactly as you want it on your profile. Tap Next to continue to the email section. Enter a valid email address that you can access and tap Next. Create a strong password with letters and numbers, then confirm it if asked. Review the terms and privacy information and tap Agree or Accept to proceed. Allow notifications if you want ride updates and driver messages in real time. Allow location access so Uber can find your pickup spot automatically. Choose while using the app for location permission if you want a safer default setting. On the home screen, check that your current location is correct on the map. Tap Account or Profile to review your personal details. Add a profile photo if you want, but it is optional for riders in many regions. Now set up payment by tapping Wallet or Payment. Choose a payment method like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or cash if available. Enter your payment details and save them securely in the app. If a verification step appears for your bank or card, complete it to activate payment. Go back to the main screen and type a destination to test that your account works. Confirm that you can see ride options and estimated prices, which means setup is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.